Yo guys, you're welcome to my channel, and today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix shadow fight 2 problem. A lot of people were complaining to me that they can't log into that gaming app, and I said no, I have to show them how to fix it. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. But before that, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and also watch the video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part of this video. So let's start. So you have to go to your phone settings. So let's look for phone settings. So scroll, when you go to the menu, scroll to search for your phone settings, and my phone settings is around this place. So when you click on the phone settings, you have to search for apps and notifications. So click on the apps and notifications. So when you click on apps and notifications, let's wait a while. Let's wait for it to load. Oh, it's delaying too much. It's delaying. Let's go and check it again. Okay, so when you see this, click on see all apps. So when you click on see all apps, what you have to do is to search for Shadow Fight 2. So let's search for it. It will be down because it is S. So let's scroll. You can also search. So this is it. You can also search over here. So you can search maybe Shadow Fights 2. So click on it. So when you reach here, what you have to do next is for you to click on the storage and catch. So when you click on storage and catch, what you have to do is to click the catch or the catch. After that, clear storage. So click OK. So after doing this, go back. So when you go back, then you click on force stop. So guys, after clicking on the force stop, you are done. So go back to the app. So you have to go back to the Shadow Fight 2 app to test it. So guys, as you guys saw the game, it's working correct. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, just comment down below and I'm going to answer you within some few hours. Thank you very much once again. Thanks for clicking on this video, and also thanks for subscribing, because I really know that you've subscribed to this channel. Yes, share this video to your friends who are finding it difficult to fix this problem. Thank you. I'm here for you. So if you have any question, you just question me in my comment section and I'm going to help you out. Thank you. Then I'm out. Watch out for my new videos. Yes, watch out for my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.